Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on 10 different ways to change the Apple Watch face. The Apple Watch is an incredible piece of hardware offering a ton of functionality from the wrist. Most importantly, the Apple Watch has customizable faces that quickly give users access to a ton of information. With every new iteration of the Watch OS, Apple Watch owners are welcoming new features and faces. Unfortunately, many Apple Watch owners are unaware of how to change their device's faces, let alone customize them. So this video is going to be on 10 different ways, and these 10 methods work from the Apple Watch 1 all the way up to the newest Apple Watch Ultra. Number 1, how to change Apple Watch faces, the basics. Apple Watch owners can quickly change and customize faces of any version of Watch OS, but to take advantage of the new additions, the Apple Watch should be updated. To ensure Watch OS is up to date, follow these steps. Open the Apple Watch on the paired iPhone. Select General, and then select Software Update. If Watch OS is up to date, the user is notified. If not, the iPhone will download the new update and install it on the Apple Watch. Number 2, changing Apple Watch faces. To quickly change faces on the Apple Watch, follow these simple steps. Swipe left or right on the Apple Watch to see faces available on the device. Once an Apple Watch face has been found, do not swipe any further. Number 3, adding Apple Watch faces via iPhone. To add new Apple Watch faces via the iPhone, follow these steps. Access the Watch app on the paired iPhone. Select Face Gallery at the bottom of the app. Select an app watch face from the available options and select Add. Number 4, customizing a new Apple Watch face via iPhone. To add customized Apple Watch faces via the iPhone, follow these steps. Access the Watch app on the paired iPhone. Select Face Gallery at the bottom of the app. Select an Apple Watch face from the available options and choose a color, style, and complications. Select Add. Number 5, removing Apple Watch faces via the iPhone. To remove Apple Watch faces via iPhone, follow these steps. Access the Watch app on the paired iPhone. Select My Watch at the bottom of the app. Select Edit next to My Faces. Select the red dash next to the Apple Watch faces that needs to be removed. Number 6, how to add faces via the Apple Watch. To add faces via the Apple Watch, follow these instructions. Tap on the Apple Watch firmly. Keep swiping right for a new window. Tap plus. Swipe or use the digital crown to scroll through all the available faces. Tap the watch to add it to the Apple Watch. Number 7, how to customize faces via Apple Watch. To customize new faces via the Apple Watch, follow these instructions. Tap on the Apple Watch firmly, keep swiping right for the new window and tap the plus. Swipe or use the digital crown to scroll through all the available faces. Tap Edit to customize an Apple Watch face. Choose from customization options like markings, colors, and complications. Press the digital crown to save the customization. Tap the face to add it to the Apple Watch. Number 8, how to remove faces via the Apple Watch. To remove faces via the Apple Watch, follow these instructions. Swipe to the face that needs to be removed. Press on the display and swipe up. Tap Remove. Number 9, how to change Apple Watch faces based on location or time change watch faces based on time. To change Apple Watch faces based on location or time, follow these steps. Access the Shortcuts app on the paired iPhone. Select Automatic at the bottom of the page. Select Create Personal Automation and then Time of Day. Select sunrise or sunset and define the time accordingly. Select Next and then Add Action. Select Search for Set Watch Face. Under Actions, search for Set Active Watch Face 2. Choose the desired Apple Watch face for specific times. Under Actions, tap Next in the bottom right corner of the app. Disable Ask before running and continue the selection by tapping Don't Ask and tap Done. Last, number 10, change watch faces based on location. To change Apple Watch faces based on location, follow these steps. Access the Shortcut app on the paired iPhone. Select Automatic at the bottom of the page. Select Create Personal Automation, Arrive or Leave. Next to location, select Choose. Choose the desired location by searching for it. Tap Next in the top right corner of the app. Tap Add Action and search for Watch. Choose Set Watch Face. Under Actions, type Face for Set Active Watch Face 2. Choose the desired Apple Watch face when arriving or leaving the specific location. Tap Next and then Done to complete the automation process. That was my video on how to change the Apple Watch faces. There's really a lot of neat watch faces on there, and you can get really in depth with changing different ones in different times, different locations, all sorts of things. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.